Hi guys! In this video, we are going to see how to make an e-commerce website for free like this. People can see your website and your products. Then they can view your product and add to cart. Then they can view cart and proceed to checkout. And they can make payment using Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, even cash on delivery. So, if you want to create an online shop and want to earn money online, watch this video till the end. First, come on this website called profreehost.com. This website will help us to get free hosting and domain. Now, click on this register button. Then, sign up with your email address. We have to activate our account, so open email account and click activate. Now, it's time to launch our website. Click on create new account and give your website address and select a free subdomain. Then it takes some time to live our website in the internet. Guys, our website is now live. Now it's time to deploy WordPress. Go to your ProFreeHost account and click on Control Panel. Then your website cPanel will load and deploy WordPress from the Software section. You see, we have successfully launched WordPress to our website. Now it's time to choose a theme. So go to your WordPress admin panel. Then theme, then new theme, and choose Astra theme. Now activate this plugin and choose a ready-made website template for your website. In this plugin, you will find many ready-made templates. As we are going to online shop, so I'm choosing e-commerce templates. Oh yes, our template launched successfully. Now let's check our website. You see, we have got an online shop website. Now to customize this website, click on Edit with Elementor on top. Now from here, click on where you want to change anything. You can customize yourself anything. So guys, I hope you understand how to make an online shop for free. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching this video.